This video shows how to buy shares of Byggmastare Anders J. Ahlstrom, holding AB, a Swedish construction and property development group traded on CBOE EU under the ticker AJAB.ST. For educational purposes only, this is not financial advice. You need a broker to trade shares, and I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search field and type the ticker AJAB.ST to find a listing. Make sure you select the Byggmastare Anders J. Ahlstrom holding AB entry that matches the CBOE EU listing. On the asset page, review the basic company information and the price chart to understand the current listing. Confirm the company name, market, and ticker AJAB.ST to ensure it is the correct stock. To place an order, click Investor Trade, enter the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and confirm the purchase. If the market is closed, the order will execute when it opens, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once the order fills, you will see the new position in your portfolio. A link to eToro is available in the description if you wish to open an account.